Copilot brings AI-powered assistance to Dynamics 365 finance and operations apps, helping users work smarter and faster. At the heart of this experience is the Copilot sidecar, a dedicated panel that sits alongside your workspace. With Sidecar, you can ask questions in natural language and get instant, step-by-step guidance right inside your workflow. Need to create an invoice or generate a report? Sidecar can handle these tasks for you, saving time and reducing manual effort. No more endless clicks or searching through menus. Sidecar streamlines your experience so you can work smarter and faster. Get quick insights, summaries, and forecasts to make informed decisions without leaving the app. Now let's see Copilot Sidecar in action. Meet Steve. He's been tasked with handling invoicing, but he is new to working with Dynamics 365 Finance and is still learning.
I've been asked to create an invoice for our customer, the Oak Company, without creating a sales order. I'm not sure how to do that and will need Copilot's help. Let's see what Copilot advises. Looks like I can create either a free text invoice or a direct invoice. Let's see, I can create a free text invoice without a sales order. I don't know how to create one though, so let's see if I can get help on that. Okay, I have all the steps here. We'll go to Accounts Receivable, all free text invoices. And now we select New. We'll pick our customer account. This should be Oak. Invoice details description is Freight main account. I don't know what main account to use. Hopefully it knows what an FTI is and can understand that I typed account wrong. Well, it says that I can type one or more characters and use the lookup account. Let's see. Oh look, I have 3 possibilities, but I have no idea which one I want. Let me ask. Let's see, outbound, generally the most appropriate account. Great, that's the one I'm going to use. And the freight was $5, so that's what I'll put in. Okay, now what do I do after I fill in the main account? I don't have any financial dimensions. I did put in the unit price. That's great. I can look at the total just to make sure that it should be easy. It's $5. That's good. And now we post. I don't want to print this. It says print, so I'll do that. I want to see what it looks like. That looks great. Thank you, Copilot. This has been great. Working with Copilot is like having someone sitting next to me who has been doing this forever. I would have really struggled to do this on my own, and it would have taken much longer. What a great way to learn.